ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Perfect Laser. Our live show will begin now. I'm today's host, Aria. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment and sensing equipment since 1995. Till now, we have 20 years history in this field. Our main product including wall printing machine, UV printing machine, inkjet printing machine, and the laser equipment, and more than 20 series, 300 tabs. And all the machines have got CE, ISO, and Rose certificate, and is certified by the well-known international inspection institutions such as TUV and SGS. And also, we have got 63 national patents. The core technique achievement can reach the international advanced level. As a result, our product has exported to more than 180 countries, including Canada, Russia, Italy, Japan, Korea, Turkey, Brazil, the United States, the UAE, and many other countries. And we also got a great reputation from our customers all over the world. Also, we have a talent team. 95% of the teammates are bachelor or master degree. And we can provide you 2 hours quickly response and 24 hours after sales services special to you. And our goal is simple. We want to sell the high volume product at the best price and providing you the industrial leading customer services to you. And today, we'll show you how to make beautiful design by a wall printing machine, and we also will show you the most house-selling models for you to choose. And as the March exports best season deals in Perfect Laser, to celebrate the March Shopping Festival, we prepare many benefits and coupons and gifts for you. First, you can enjoy. Let's see what you can enjoy. First, let's see those coupons. Look here, if you place an order over $7,000, guess what? You will get coupons of $100. It's totally worth it. And if you place an order over $3,000, you will get coupons of $50. It's really awesome, right? And place an order over $2,000, you will get a coupon of $30. And to place an order over $1,000, you will get coupons of $20. It's so exciting, right? And besides that, our company also prepares so many exquisite gifts and a very attractive promotion policy to you. And I will talk them to you later, so keep watching now. And if you're watching our live show right now, please follow us by clicking the following button here. To subscribe our channel so you can find us easily next time. And also please give us a like here. It means a lot to us, and thank you so much for your support. And if you want to see more information about our product, you can find the product list here. And click the more here, and you can see more information about our product. And you can place the order directly here. Okay, now I will invite our sales engineer, Mr. Dominic, and he is very professional in this field. And he will introduce the wall printing machine special to you. And give him a round of applause to welcome him.
How are you? Good to see you.
Yeah, me too. It's so exciting today.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Wow, we have a wall printing machine. Wow, today is going to be an exciting time for us to see what this machine has for us today.
Yeah. So the stage is yours.
Okay, thank you very much. Wow, such a wonderful introduction by our host. I'm Mr. Dominic, a sales expert in our company, Perfect Laser. Today we'll be looking at an overview of our wall printing machine. So, as we now, let's get to know more about our different kinds of wall printing machines that we have. So, on this board that I have here with me, we have different kind of models of our wall printing machine. So, as you can see here, we have right behind me is our S70 machine. So, we also have that we will see on our video an H40 machine. So, our H30 and H40 machine, you might be wondering, what is the difference between these two? This machine has got a double printing head, while this one has got a single printing head. That is more familiar with this product because a double printing head, you get more printing faster. So, with this machine, we have an S70, and this one is an S80 machine. This is our best choice for our customers. An S70 machine is a machine that can print on wall, and it has a UPS backup system. UPS backup system actually means you're able to continue working with the machine even after power failure for at least 10 hours. So, this is all about that you have to know about our machines. So today we're going to have an overview of how these machines work. So, let's look more onto our applicable materials of our wall printing machine. Here we have different kinds of walls, including interior and exterior putty wall, latex painted wall, white wall, you can see we have a white wall, imitation wall, porcelain walls, wall clothing, color coating glaze, shell powder, color grain plant, and also on. As you can see, they are of different colors, so the resolution actually is quite high, 9,600 dpi. The resolution is fantastic. And then, what are the non-absorbent materials? We have glass. We can paint on ceramic tile, wood, and metal. So, you might be wondering, why would I get this machine? What kind of applicable industry does this wall printing machine suit? We have a wall printing is widely used in home decoration, advertising industry, cultural and educational industry, government propaganda, hotel decoration, and experience in museum. So as you can see, all these are applicable. If you want to decorate your homes, if you want to do decorations on your museum, any kind of image you're trying to show, this machine is absolutely outstanding. This is why I love this machine. So, I'm glad you got to know our applicable industries and we got to know more information concerning of our wall printing machine. So, right now, it is time to introduce a hard-working engineer in perfect laser. Please welcome our guest, Mr. Leo! Hello, Mr. Leo. Yes, this is our perfect engineer. So, right now, he's going to show us on how we can do on wall printing on S70 machine. Mr. Leo. Okay, so as you come along here, so there's a red light detection for where the machine starts to print. We have a good system software here. Our software is user-friendly and easy to use. You can see we have an open rip. Open rip means you're able to open a file. Here is the picture that is being displayed on the background. So we are printing on paper. And our software is very easy because we can determine the battery life of this machine. We also have ink colors. Our machine can print on different kinds of ink colors. As you can see, we have yellow, which is 490, red 494, blue 495, and black 497. The software is very convenient in using, and you can know the usage of ink and your battery. Wow, this is so incredible about the operation of our S17 machine. Okay, so as we will move on, because this printing will quite take a bit of some time. Yeah. So, right now, what we're going to do is we are going to have some samples of our wall printing machines. First, let's give it up for our first sample that we have right here. Okay, so our first sample we have here is on paper. Okay. All right.
It's still pretty, right?
Wow, this is so incredible. Okay. All right. As you can see, our pictures here are of great display, great colors. This resolution is so cool. You can see the picture here of this boy. Colors, great display, great resolution. The quality is absolutely outstanding. I am just impressed with this machine. On this paper, you can see lovely colors, pink, yellow, green, black. All the pictures on this paper are lovely. I love them. Wow, this is incredible, right?
Yeah.
Wow! Thanks to this. So, we still have other more samples to show you. So, we also have another kind of sample, which is right here. Wow! This picture is also incredible. You can see the parrot clearly there. The flowers are really incredible. The image is so large. The resolution is of excellent quality. The colors, the size, the words, the image is outstanding. I love it. I'm sure you're amazed by watching this. This is incredible, right?
Totally.
Yes, I like this. Okay, wonderful. All right, now we have on wood. Okay, wood. Wow, still on wood. You can see ice cream cones. There, yellow, there, red. Wow, it's so, wow, this is really on wood. This is absolutely, the display is bright. The colors are bright. Everything about this picture is incredible. Wow, what do you think? It's amazing, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, yes, this is absolutely amazing. I love this picture. Okay, thank you for this wonderful sample. All right. And then we have another sample on glass. Wow! A display of Disney.
So cute.
This is really colorful.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love the Mickey Mouse.
Our resolution
Yeah.
9600 dpi. We are the best in terms of resolution in our picture quality.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
also it's a piece of glass.
Yes, on glass. This is incredible. Wow. Okay. Even backside, as you can see, this is a glass kind of source.
So the next sample.
Okay. All right. Our sample. Wow.
It's a boy.
Wow. It's a boy with having paint on his hands. Wow. This is incredible. The eyes, everything about this picture is so
Vivid, right?
clear.
Yeah.
I can see it so clearly and visible.
Yeah.
Yeah, this machine is really does a lot of good work.
It's also a tag.
Yes.
Shows what
So we need to also show around here.
it's a tag, right? So our machine is really nice. Can print on all different kind of materials.
Yes. So this is really great. Okay. All right. Wow. You must be so excited with all the samples that we have seen. So, right now we are going to have an introduction about our SAT machine. Okay, our SAT machine. Perfect Laser Industrial Wall Printer has been technically upgraded. The connection between the longitudinal frame and the horizontal track is upgraded from the previous route connection type into interlock type. They interlock the longitudinal and the horizontal frame. There is no balance between the frame. The tracks can be locked one by one, and the roller can move on the track freely. The roller moves freely left to right. The track uses interlock connection. It will be easier to install and uninstall. During the large format printing, you can take down the track from the printed side and install it to another side, which is going to be print. It can lengthen the tracks. By lengthening the tracks, you have overall of 3 tracks that is on one whole price together. So, and make the work print. It can lengthen the tracks and make the work continuously. So, unlimited width printing can be achieved without buying additional tracks. In addition, the longitudinal frame can be raised into 3 meters height, and the width of the right motor is reduced into 25 centimeters, which is greatly improves the distance between the machine and the wall from the ground. So that is all about our introduction concerning our SAT wall printing machine. Okay, so you might be wondering what also are the main features of our SAT machine. So, number 1, the first main feature concerning our machine is that the new wall printer is controlled by an advanced touch screen. an advanced touchscreen. The U-disc can be inserted directly into the pad to import your files, your images. You can import them via your U-disc. The operation is simple, and the pad can shut down within 20 minutes automatically to save power. You're able to save power. The machine has picture seamless splicing function. This is the best function of our S18 machine. Seamless splicing function. And the track uses interlock design. It can be in lock and take down from the printed side. Then install to another side which is going to be printed. So it can realize large format unlimited printing from software and hardware respectively. The other third main feature is that the wall printer body is made by our special aluminium magnesium alloy with higher strength and lightweight. It uses a triangular principle, a formed triangular principle designed to realize stable structure. It is durable and easy to carry. The wall printer adopts brushless servo motor control system. It can achieve higher accuracy and faster speed of colorful drawing, and it's totally free of maintenance. That's one great thing. And it adopts a VSTD variable ink drop technology. What is this VSTD technology? It can work together with a complete set of new programmed algorithms. The smallest ink drop is 3.5 PL. The largest ink drop is 27. So, no matter indoor printing or outdoor printing, it can achieve our quality of vivid color painting. It has breakpoints, automatic filling function. It can remember the breakpoints with the machine meets the interrupting and automatic restore into starting position when the power failure and continue to print next time. This is wonderful about our S18 machines. But there's still some more because we're not yet done concerning our main features. We have now we are going to introduce our S18 machine right now. Hi ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at our wonderful S18 wall printing machine. Wow, this is an incredible machine. I like it. The design is really incredible. So with this S18 machine, you can see that we have an LCD touchscreen pad here, which is of 8 inches. 8 inches design, 8 inches touchpad. And then you notice earlier on I mentioned about the roller. The roller moves left and right, left and right. So when printing, you are able to see this roller. We also have a switch there. This is used to turn on the machine, and there's a plug which you connect it to the circuit. Once you connect it to the circuit, the machine turns on. We also have a Inkbox. What is our Inkbox? Our Inkbox is to contain the ink colors into the Inkbox. Our Inkbox right here, we have 4 main colors: black, red, yellow, and blue. Wow, this is so incredible. And we have a triangular form here. As you can see, it's a triangular form. Okay. A triangular form of structure. Even backwards right here, you can tell our frame has a triangular structure. So, this machine is really incredible. It can work outdoors and indoors, no matter what kind of surface it is. And then we also have our here we have our red light pointer. What is our red light pointer? What is it mainly used for? This is actually used to detect this is usually to detect our starting position of printing. The red light pointer will identify where does the printing begin. That's the huge advantage. We have a sensor, we have a nozzle. Usually this can be used up to 2 nozzles. And a printing head, as you can see, after I remove it, we have the printing head. Okay. We have a printing head right there. Okay. So, here is an ink absorber. The ink absorber is used to pump the ink and cleansen the ink. So, the ink absorber is stored right here. So, you can actually remove it and plug it back there. Alright, you might notice back there in the machine, we have 2 motors. Okay. Alright. We have this motor. This motor is actually helpful in helping the movement of left and right of the UPS. So we have the UPS, which is right here. Our UPS is used for when you have power failure. Your UPS can back up power and work for at least 10 hours. At least 10 hours. So, after power failure, it's very useful and convenient for you to still use the machine. Alright, we have a rack here, as you can see. This rack has a height of 1.5 millimeters. So, this rack right here, as you can see, it is having a belt. So the belt makes it move in a continuous row. Okay. So, here we have edges. That is our guide rail. So our guide rail can be, you can add more guide rails right here and right here. You can add up to 3 guide rails, which is all together in one price. So that is really incredible concerning our machine. And we do have a USB port The USB port right here is used for storing the files, the storing of files. So two motors, one blue one and one black one. The black one supports the movement up and down, and this blue one supports the movement of the rolling of this guide rail right here. How incredible is this machine? This is so amazing. I love it. So, this is our best and recommendable machine for your printing. All right, this is incredible. I'm glad that you got to know all the information concerning our S18 machine. It can work outdoors and indoors. This machine can work in all kinds of floors. So, that was an incredible introduction of our S80 machine. So, we now want to get to know more about our main features. So, the wall printer adopts inner UPS backup power supply to realize automatic charging, automatic switching when voltage instability or power failure, which is our UPS. The machine can go on working for 10 hours when power failure. So when backup battery is fully charged. The machine has integrated printing head design, which is separable structure, can effectively avoid the damage caused by bumping in the delivery. The printing head adopts fully enclosed nozzle fixing plate. It can protect the nozzle and prolong the actual life of the nozzle. This is another incredible new feature. The wall printer adopts USA banner brand sensor. Dual sensors can sense from up and down. Arc surface tracking. It can realize automatic positioning, automatic adjustment to the uneven wall and tint wall. It can reduce the risk of damage to the printing head effectively. Also, we have an optional item, which is the folding design. Longitudinal frame. The height of longitudinal frame after folding is 1.55 meters, which is more convenient for using and delivering, which is also charged additionally. We also have standard painting direction, which is from left to right. And Perfect Laser also can customize the printing from right to left. It should be informed before production. If you have demand for printing on non-planar materials, for example, you have car bodies, Perfect Laser will customize it according to your demand, and it will also be charged additionally. So, wow, that is all that we have for the main features. Wow, I'm so glad we had to see this. So, let's welcome back our engineer, Mr. Leo. All right, Mr. Leo, look. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. So this machine has done the work. You started printing from here all the way to here by our printing machine. So the distance between the wall and the printing head is 0.5 centimeters. So this is what an incredible machine has done. As you can see, the picture display, white, red, green, yellow, all of this just exactly as our sample that we have shown you on paper. Wow! Thank you, Mr. Leo. This is an incredible engineer. A hand of applause for Mr. Leo! Okay, all right. Now, we now move on to our other machine, which is our H40 machine. Please come along with me. So, Mr. Leo, this is our H40 machine. The software is user-friendly and actually the same. So, as you can see, we have the image displayed here. Our USB is inputted here, and we input our USB right there. One good advantage, battery percentage is 100, and we have all the colors of our machine here. So it goes up and down, up and down. So we have a red light detection right there. There is our red light pointer. So this machine is really incredible in printing. Another advantage of this machine is that it can be put on the ground by itself. It has an H structure design that is really incredible. All right. Wow. I can't wait, and I'm so anxious to see what is the final outcome of this picture. So, we have two series. The first series that I showed you is our S model, which is the S80 machine. And the one on my right is the H model, which is the H40 machine. So, let's look at the difference between these two models. The difference between these two models is that it depends on what you're looking for in terms of printing. Our S-series model has a triangular structure, and it is really stable. A triangular structure, and it's really stable for working indoors and outdoors, and has a very powerful UPS backup power supply. However, our H-series, the reason why it's called H-series is because our track is an H-shaped form, and our H-shape is suitable for flat, only flat ground. So they have a difference in comparison of where the grounds are. The rail size of the S-series is 2.5 meters by 4.5 meters. However, for the H-series is 2.5 meters by 3 meters. And we also have a control method. Both of them do have a control method. This one, for the S-series, is a removable pad control. You can remove it and put it back. But this one is an integrated LCD touchscreen, which is larger, 12-inch size, larger LCD screen. Moving way. This one, our S-series, moves on the tracks. The reason being is that it moves on the tracks is because our S-series does not have wheels. But our A-series can move on wheels and directly. Also can move on tracks. So in terms of movement, our 8 series machine on the rail, on the floor, it is super. Requirement for the floor. Our S series model has low requirements for flatness of ground and is suitable for outdoor working. So the reason being this machine is the best is that you are able to work in any kind of working areas. So the requirement is therefore low. But this one, it has a higher requirement because it requires a flat ground surface. So the flat ground surface, it is equipped with level gauges to ensure that the track is completely horizontal and vertical. This is the main difference concerning our two different machines, the 8 series and the S series machine. So, now what is the surplus, the best thing about our machine? This is the seamless stitching function. It can automatically divide supersized images into multiple areas. You can see this picture is divided into multiple areas. Area 1, 2, 3, 4. Very perfect in making the completing of your image. And areas for printing and realize seamless splicing by automatically identifying the starting point. Where is our starting point? Our starting point is right here, number 1. So number 1 is our starting point. But your starting point can be in any direction. Left to right, right to left. It is, of course, convenient. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, no matter how big your picture is, perfect laser will achieve the printing for you. So, the following is an introduction to the different forms of printing. So we have a one-time printing. This is when the height of the picture frame does not exceed 2 meters and the width does not exceed the width of the guide rail. There is no need to perform partition printing, and the perfect picture can be created at one time. This is why it is identified as a one-time printing. When the width of the frame exceeds 2 meters, use scaffolding to raise the machine and then perform the partition printing. So as you can see, this images of our super and best function, the seamless stitching function. Wow, this is an incredible big advantage. Now, let's go back to this. Our 840 model. As you can see, it is on wood, and we have sticked the wood onto the wall. As you can see, the picture is of great resolution. The image is really big. So, on our software, you can decide how big you want your image to be. And also, we have our level gauge. As you can see, our H rail, the level gauge must be in the middle to tell you that it is balanced. You must ensure that this machine is balanced at all times. All right, as I mentioned earlier, we have the wheels, 4 main wheels. What is the best advantage? It doesn't necessarily need our rails. So our rails actually you can remove the machine and put it onto the ground, and you can print it on a flat surface. So this is incredible. But one difference between our SAT and H40 model is that we have our vertical foldable rack. This vertical foldable rack, why is it important? You must know the importance of our vertical foldable rack. It makes it easier to carry. You want to put it in your car, in your truck. It makes it much easier by when folding it, the size of the rack becomes smaller. So, when you want to use this machine and travel with it, our rack is foldable. Alright, so we do have also our sensors. We have our motors that help in the up and down movement when printing. What our engineer has done is that our red light started from here and printing all the way until we reached here. How incredible is this machine? It's unbelievable, right? I am just amazed. So, this machine is the best for your flat surface ground. And we also have our rails, which is H size, and you can actually lengthen it larger if you want to. So, that is concerning our H40 machine. Alright, so I'm glad you had to pay attention to our H40 model. H series and S series model are what we have for the best printing for you. Alright. So, we're still going to talk about our seamless stitching function. So, when the height of the frame exceeds 2 meters and the width exceeds the width of the machine guide rail, the picture can be divided into multiple areas. As you can see, we have 8 multiple areas. 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This whole picture, because it can, when the height is exceeding 2 meters of the width and the width of the machine of the guide rail. The supplement, when printing in zones, the machine first needs to print the area in the upper left corner. Our upper left corner is right there. Our upper left corner. And which we identify our upper left corner as area 1 to print. At this point, the machine can automatically identify the starting point to achieve seamless splicing. So you identify your starting point, and once you've identified your starting point, it will automatically achieve your seamless splicing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is much easier to help you for your printing, wall printing. Okay, so right now, as you can see here, we have our glass. So, our engineer is going to put this onto our glass. So, you can see two of them right here.
Yeah.
Yes, so incredible, right? Yes. Wow. Right there.
They're pretty kind of.
Okay. So now I'm going to give it to our engineer. So you can see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Yeah.
And I believe everyone likes the characteristic in
Yes.
Disneyland.
Okay. All right. That's great. Okay.
What's your favorite characteristic?
Yeah. So right now we're going to have our glass
Yeah.
here, right here, and we're going to put our liquid onto the glass to make sure it looks perfectly like that. All right.
So I can help to see how to make this kind of.
Okay. All right. Cool. Right here, we have our treatment liquid. So our treatment liquid is used for putting our liquid first, just before you print on this glass, and then you use this to scrub the treatment liquid all over on the glass. So, shall we begin? Ta-da! We have our treatment liquid, and I'm going to put our treatment liquid on our glass. So this is how you apply your treatment liquid, and then there you have it. You have this to scrub along everywhere, right, up, down, left. You should ensure that your treatment liquid is there permanently on your glass. Wow, this is so incredible. I love doing this. I'm really enjoying it. Wow. All right. Okay. Wow. Wow. This is cool. All right. There we have it. One of our consumables, treatment liquid. So now, after displaying your treatment liquid on the glass, you can therefore now begin to, you will have to wait for it to dry. It takes about 5 minutes. Let it dry for 5 minutes, and then you will make sure that it is dry. So, that is our treatment liquid. And then, we have to, okay. We have other consumables on my table. And these are wonderful consumables that we have. The consumables that we have here we have ink, right? So, as you can see, this is black color ink, yellow color ink, blue color ink, and red color ink. Wow! So great! And then, the difference is that this one has high resolution ink. So this one is yellow. Yellow high resolution ink. Red high resolution ink. Blue high resolution ink. And black high resolution ink. You might be wondering, what is this? This is a protective fluid. The protective fluid is good in the prevention of your nozzle of the machine from being blocked. So please, always apply your protective fluid onto your nozzle. As you've seen me apply our treatment fluid on the glass, so here it is again. For right now, we're still waiting for it to dry. So, our aerosol paint is used after using. Okay, so as you can see the difference. Okay, so our aerosol paint, you can see aerosol paint was mostly used on this glass. So aerosol paint makes it look like this. And from this glass, it becomes automatically like this. So this is the power of our aerosol paint. Good quality. You like it, right? Yes, this is a good consumable to buy. All right. Good. I like the aerosol paint. Okay. All right. So, let's look more concerning our consumables. As I've shown you our professional wall printing ink, which are here, it adopts imported color meal base. It won't get icing even at -30 degrees. No need for heating. The synthetic pigment won't get fade and fall off. Wear resistance, green, and environmental. So those are our ink colors. Our ink colors, great, makes the picture quality look of great resolution. Protective fluid can effectively protect the nozzle of the printing head and being blocked. Yeah, that's the protective fluid right there, from the protection of your nozzle from being blocked. And then the other one that we have here is our treatment fluid, used for pre-treatment of non-absorbent materials such as glass, tile, and metal. Here is our treatment fluid. as you saw me spraying it on our glass. So, I'm glad you had to pay attention to our wonderful consumables concerning our machine. So, right now, we are going to go back to our engineer, Mr. Leo! Mr. Leo, yes, wonderful. This machine. So, after we put the treatment fluid on our glass, now we stick it to the wall and our glass is now printing. As you can see, it starts from the left with the motor moving along with the guide rail, up and down, up and down. So you are anxious. I'm sure you're anxious to see the image we showed you on our sample. But believe me, the picture that we have just seen on the sample will be absolutely outstanding. Alright, so this is how we're going to see it on our glass. Okay, so the printing will take some time. As you can see, our image is here and it is displaying onto our glass. Alright, so at this time, I'd like to welcome our host that we saw in the beginning.
Hey guys, if you're watching our lecture now,
Yes!
please follow us by clicking the following button here. To subscribe our channel so you can find us easily next time. Also, please give us a like here.
1,000 likes! Like our page!
It means a lot to us, and thank you so much for your support.
Yes, I'm sure people are liking our page right
It's
now.
very exciting, the printing process.
Yes.
And if you want to see more information about our product, you can find the product list here. And please click the more here so you can find more product about our machine of our company. And you will find more information about our product, and you can place the order directly here. What's more, we also prepare lots of coupons and the gifts for you, so please catch this chance. The coupons including those: first, place an order over $7,000, you will get a coupon
$100!
totally worth it, so I hope you can catch this chance, don't miss it.
Yes.
And place an order over $3,000, you will get a coupon of $50.
Wow.
It's so exciting, awesome, right?
Such a huge discount! I love that!
And place an order over $2,000, you will get coupons of $30.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then?
And place an order over $100, you will get coupons of $20. It's really a big discount of our company, right?
Wow.
Because we want to appreciate your watching in your time with us.
Yes, this is incredible. So it means any price you buy, you will get a discount.
Yeah.
No matter what it is. $7,100 discount. That's big.
Please place the order right now.
Yes.
And what's more, our warranty time is normally just 12 months, right?
Yeah.
But guess what? If you place the order during that show and during this month, we will provide you with 24 months warranty time.
24 months! Wow! This is so good for you!
Yes, not often happen things, and we will make sure you will satisfied about our product. And we have confidence to make sure have no worry about our products, right?
Right, this is absolutely a long time. 24 months.
And also, we also prepared the expiry gifts for you guys. And I will introduce them to you later, so please keep watching and looking forward to the promotion policy.
Yes.
Right? And our machine have got so many certificates, and such as the CE and Rose certificate, and certified by the TV and SGS company. As we all know, if you got the CE certificate, it means our products comply with the European standard, right?
Yes, it's really great.
Yeah, so it's really safe to buy from us, right?
Yeah.
And
So many great certificates.
And we also have a golden supplier assessment certificate that is verified by the SGS company. It's so cool.
Yeah, I'm really impressed. So it means our customers are assured to buy from us, right?
So
Yes.
please now let me show the certificate to our customers. First, as you can see here, we got the CE certificate. It means our product is comply with the European standard, and also we got the Rose certificate. So it's really safe to buy from us, and don't worry about the safety and the warranty time of our product. And also
Wow.
the Golden Plus Supplier Assessment Certificate and verified by the SGS company. Totally.
Wow.
As we all know, SGS is a professional manufacturer. But as we all know, SGS is an international inspection institution.
Wow.
It's very famous.
So, 3 certificates. It means we're doing incredibly well.
Yeah.
3 certificates.
So through the SGS verified, I believe you have no worry to buy from us.
Yes, that is true. So,
And what's more, we also prepare 100 tableware as gifts, and they are blue and white porcelain.
yeah, that is true.
Please let me show the tableware to you.
Wow.
Thank you so much. They are blue and white porcelain, and have beautiful flower which has characteristic. As you can see, it's so pretty.
Wow, this is so cool.
And I believe when you use this kind of tableware with your family, it definitely create a great dinner
Yeah.
time for you and your family.
This gift is best for you.
Yes.
It's our gift to your.
Convenient.
Yes.
Right. And we will send it to who participated in our live show and we place an order during this month.
Wow.
And we have confidence that our product will make you satisfied and we will make sure you have no worry to buy from us and the performance of our machine and the warranty time of our machine. We can provide you anything you want from us. And what's more, our company have customized and special design ability. So if you have any printing requirements, don't hesitate to contact us. Send us your design, and we can make free sample for you. It's totally cool.
I will be happy to
Yeah.
reply to all your requests and all your questions.
And now, to enjoy all these benefits,
Yes.
take out your phone as to do the screenshot. And I will give you guys 10 seconds to do the screenshot, okay? Mr. Dominic, would you please come with me?
Yes, I can.
So, here we go. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Screenshot! There you have it.
already got a screenshot, and please send it to your sales representative to show you have 10% left show, and you can get the extra coupon. And if you're not in our left show room, please screenshot it. Please screenshot this page to show you have a 10, so you also can get the extra coupons. And now, the engineer will show the glass that our wool printing machine can print.
Okay, all right. Now, let's look back on what we have behind me. But let's welcome back our engineer, Mr. Leo. Yes, so we can see, let's push this machine aside from us. And I'm going to have the glass and show it to you personally what this machine has done. All right, Mr. Leo, there you have it. There. As you can see, there. All right. By our kind of aerosol paint. Our aerosol paint, there it is. By the usage of our consumable aerosol paint, made our picture incredible. There. Okay. So, if you have any inquiries, this aerosol paint is our really cool and effective in usage when you want a good resolution. So, I'm impressed. I'm sure you like what you can see. This is amazing. Wow. All right. Okay. So, as you have seen, we have sprayed on the glass on our aerosol by using our aerosol paint. So, that is all concerning our glass material. Okay, so now we're going to see on wood. Oh, on ceramic tile. As you can see right here, I have our ceramic tile. Okay, so you're going to see our engineer do look at this picture. I'm sure you deserve to have something that looks exactly like this. So please, we are now going over to our main features of this machine. So, the main features of this machine: the vertical wall printing machine adopts advanced digital positioning technology with static zone calibration for up and down, static zone for calibration for up and down. So it's step calibration for left and right. It can achieve precise positioning. The positioning is really precise and ensure excellent printing quality. Just as I showed you on our ceramic tile, that wonderful display of that boy in the picture with so many colors, the excellent quality picture. I'm It's unbelievable. I couldn't imagine how it could do such kind of excellent quality. It abandons the traditional positioning mode of relying on raster bars and drive racks, avoiding inaccurate positioning and color bar problems caused by component wear or external wind. The wall inkjet printer adopts Japan-imported industrial-grade printing head with a protection device. It is equipped with dual sensors and Z-axis automatic induction. The printing head can automatically expand and always keep a suitable distance with the wall. So the distance with the wall is 0.5 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters. That is the distance between the wall and the printing head, and effectively prevent the printing head from being damaged. Please ensure that you keep in mind that the printing head must not be damaged. The vertical wall printer with H-shaped rails, which is our H40 model with an H-shaped rail, can move without tracks. Why can it move without tracks? It's because it has 4 wheels. Unlike our S80 machine, it only has to move on the rails. So with the wheels on a flat surface, there is absolutely no doubt that our H40 machine can move without rails. So, when printing on flat ground, the motor can drive the 2 rear wheels to move for printing. The body of wall printer is equipped with a built-in computer system with a 12-inch LCD screen. Our H40 machine has an LCD 12-inch screen, and unlike our S80 model, which is removable, but this one, it's not a removable LCD screen. So, it is colorful and it is convenient to operate and work outside. The software is really easier. You can adjust the height, the length, the width of our images, and of course, the resolution. Also, we have the touch-type flash printing test of wall inkjet printer can print a single color with large capacity to keep the color normal and avoid cross colors. So we have mainly 4 colors: black, blue, red, and yellow. So, however, if you add an extra nozzle, you can be able to print white. So, also, our vertical wall printing machine body has a UPS backup power, which can automatically be charged and switching when the power failure, when there is power failure. So you have a powerful UPS backup system. The wall inkjet printer can still work for 10 hours after power failure, and is fully charged. So it is very convenient to work anywhere or outdoor. The vertical wall printing machine supports customized foldable vertical rack. It is easy to carry outside. You can put it in your cars, in your truck. Because of the length, so you'll be able to fold it in a very adjustable position, that the size will become much smaller to fit inside your vehicle. Also, we have the wall inkjet printer uses a very good AI technology image processing to scan and analyze pictures in different formats, match colors, and control precise ink output. So this is it. This is incredible features of our machine. So right now we're going to go back into looking on our machine. As you can see right here, ceramic tile, and we are going to see by the work of our engineer, Mr. Leo. Okay. All right, Mr. Leo. Okay. Are we ready? So, he's putting this print speed at a very fast speed. All right. Are we ready? Go! There it is. It is printing the ink displaying on the ceramic tile. So, this is how the machine is used. By simply inputting on our software, we can be able to adjust even the printing speed. So, as you can see on our ceramic tile, right here, the red light also too detects the starting position of where we print. That is also an important part you need to know. So also be aware about the distance that you keep between the printing head and the wall. It's highly important for you and for your usage. So, this is incredible, right? I'm sure you're loving what I'm seeing. The machine is doing its work. A wall printing machine. Whatever applicable industries you are in, the museum, the schools, the architectural buildings, the offices, for home decoration. Look at this. If you have a ceramic tile and you want to decorate your homes by using a ceramic tile, a wood, paper, look at what our machine is doing. The wonderful printing on ceramic tile. I love this. This is incredible. Wow. All right. Now, we're going to have a look at the technical data of our wall printing machine. So, bear with me in mind as we look onto our wall printing machine. Here is our behind me you see a PEH40 model, and this one is a PH30 model. Why is this machine behind me the best? We have a printing head of 2 pieces, which is actually much better in making the printing much faster. Unlike this one with 1 head, the printing speed becomes much slower. So this is the best. And so, with 2 printing heads, what is the printing speed? The printing speed is 64 square meters per hour, with our H40 model, 64 square meters per hour. And our H30 model with just one printing head, the printing speed is actually much slower, and it can be 32 square meters per hour. You have to know about the main board configuration. You have an 8-core CPU, which is a 4 GB DDR memory. But this one, it has a 6-core CPU and 2 GB memory. So those are the only three parts that have the main difference between the PE, H40, and H30 model. 2 printing heads, faster speed, and more memory. But what is the similarities? They both have an LCD screen control here. As you can see, there is an LCD control right here. Data transfer method. You have a USB 2.0 to 3.0. There it is, our USB port. You have a host size 400 by 500 and 2,500 millimeters. The rail size, the length is 3,000. The length of our rail size is 3,000, but our height is 2,500 millimeters height. The Z-axis guide is 170 millimeters. And the longitudinal frame is 2,000. We have unlimited horizontal effective stroke. What does it mean by unlimited horizontal effective stroke? You can add the horizontal stroke onto this machine. And we also have ink consumption of 6 to 10 milliliters ink consumption. The printing accuracy, which is the best, compared to our customers, they might have a 2,500 dpi accuracy, but our machine has the best. You saw in the samples, you're seeing this right now. This machine has 9,600 dpi painting accuracy. So we also have a painting direction. It's more of a vertical type of painting direction. And also, what is the weight of our machine? The weight of this machine is 40.5 kilograms. And our other model is slightly less, which is 39 kilograms. The rail weight is 18.8 kilograms. There is our rail weight, 18.8 kilograms. Our ink tank capacity, you have right here, you have 4 inks, blue, yellow, red, and black. And each ink color has 100 milliliters. So a combination of all ink colors is 400 milliliters. A combination of all ink colors. The automatic memory they both have, and the memory recovery. If you think that it can lose memory, that's absolutely not true. Our memory can be saved on this machine. That is incredible concerning our wall printing technical data. I'm sure you must be impressed concerning our technical data. So, the PEH40 and the PEH30, they both have a print head buffer. The print head buffer is just a head there. The spray distance by the ink is 0.5 to 2 centimeters. 0.5 to 2 centimeters. We also have a good ink supply method, which is negative pressure and has automatic ink supply. So the ink will just directly spray onto the ceramic tile, the wood, the paper, the glass, all of these kind of materials. We also have an integrated voltage regulator and an automatic white jump it also has. So we have verified certificate, which is the CE and ISO certificate. Power supply is AC 110 voltage, and our power consumption is of no load, generally 20 watts of our power consumption, and that is generally 75 watts, and our maximum is 250 watts of our power consumption. Noise. You might be considering about the noise. The noise is on standby, less than 20 dBA, and the drawing is less than 50 dBA. So the noise is, it has a noise reduction, so which is much considerable. And the operation temperature, where can you operate? What working temperatures can you have this machine? In a negative 10 to 60 degrees, which is 14 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit. The storage temperature is negative 30 to 60 degrees, 22 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit. And language, you must be aware of this. Chinese and English, or you can be able to customize the language that is used. So we have a very good training. Our training is called the VCD training method. And the engineer or overseas training is available and is charged. So our machine has a guarantee of 12 months, but I know you're watching this live right now. So our guarantee of this machine is 24 months guarantee. Such a long time. So don't worry. Watching this live show right now, you get the longer guarantee time of our two lovely machines. So, right now, we will welcome back Mr. Leo! Mr. Leo! All right. Mr. Leo is on his way right here. Yes, Mr. Leo, as you can see, this is great display. I like this picture. This picture, I want to have it in my room. It's so great. They can see, for the viewers, the color, everything is absolutely outstanding. Resolution is the best of this machine. This is incredible. Yes, Mr. Leo, high five. You've done a fantastic job. I'm proud of our engineer. Right. Okay. So this is concerning our H14 model. Okay. So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to welcome back our host, Ariel! awesome. I like this. This machine is incredible. I like our
Processing.
H14 machine.
Yeah. And the engineer thinks that he do.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for your detailed introduction.
You're more than welcome.
And it's really a nice machine, right?
Yes,
and
absolutely.
There's so many beautiful designs and all kinds of different material,
Yes.
such as the board, the tag, the glass, the canvas, the wood, the board, and the metals, right?
Yes, that is
and
true.
For the home printing machine, we have so many different types, such as the horizontal tab, the
Yeah.
vertical tab, the UV printing tab, and the high resolution tab.
Yeah, that is
Totally
true.
cool.
Okay.
And we can meet the different needs of our customers, right?
Yeah.
And also, the printing color is so bright and vivid. And the Perfect Laser will be your first choice of wall printing machine. And also, we also have the special design and customized ability.
Yes,
So,
that is true.
we can provide you full solution for all kinds of different market, or different kind of printing requirements. So if you have any design, please send us so we can make free sample for you.
Yes, even a car body design, it can be able to do that. And this machine is the best for your wall printing, for your business, your museum,
And
your
needs.
homes, your schools, and your offices.
Yeah, and okay, now I got some questions from our customers. Would you please answer first?
What? Our customers asked us questions
Yeah.
during this live?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so happy. Please, let me hear out the questions. I'm more than honorable to answer all the questions you have.
So the first question is, wait a moment, I'll check the questions. So the first question is, what consumables do it have and how many should I buy?
So, well, concerning the consumables, they include ink, cleaning liquid, protective liquid. For ink, we suggest about like you back up to 8 to 10 sets per year. That is great.
Yeah.
For cleaning liquid, which will be 20 to 25 bottles per year. And the protective liquid that I showed our customers should be 2 to 3 bottles per year.
So the use time is really long.
Yes.
So the second question is, what optional items should I buy?
What optional items should you buy? That's a good question. I'm glad you asked. The printing head, consumable parts for our SAT model. You can also choose the foldable frame, which is easier for delivery. With the foldable frame, you can put it inside your car, your
Really?
truck. It's really easy to carry.
Wow, so
Yeah.
cool, right? Even one person can just carry this thing.
Yes.
And number 3 question is, what material can it print?
What materials can it print? I think during this live show, we could see that it could print on walls, glass, wood, tile, and metals.
Wow.
But for the glass, it should be pre-treatment.
So actually there's so many choices for
Many
the
choices. Yeah, it's a really powerful
Yeah.
machine. Many choices.
So the number 4 question is, what's the printing size?
The printing size, concerning the printing size of our SAT model is 2 by 4.5 meters. However, for our H30 model, we have 2 by 3 meters.
Wow. And the number 5 question is, what colors can print out and what colors of inks?
Oh, what colors can print out? Well, I know you like the colors that have good resolution.
Yeah.
All colors can print out. The standard colors are red, yellow,
Oh,
blue, and black.
wow.
However, it can customize white ink, but suitable for two print head, such as our S80 machine and our S40 machine.
It's awesome, right? And and how much ink should I purchase, and what's the expiry date of the ink?
Oh, that's a very good question.
Yeah.
I'm glad they asked. 1 square meter print costs. So that is 10 milliliters of ink. The ink does not expire as long as you don't open the bottles. The expiry time is 3 years.
3 years, that's so long.
So long, yes.
And the second question is, what's the maximum printing speed?
Yes, I'm sure when our engineer came, our single head for printing speed is 2 square meters per hour. And our double head is 64 square meters. So for the single head is 32, and for the double head is 64 square meters per hour.
Wow.
Please take note of our printing speed.
And the number 8 question is, what's the time frame for 1 square meter?
Well, do you mean the printing time for 1 square meter?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, yes. That is an incredible question.
Yeah.
Well, for each model, we have 4 printing modes. 4 of them. Yes, 4. So we have one that is known as the sketch mode. So the sketch mode is 10 square meters per hour. And we have a production mode. The production mode is 6 square meters per hour. And we have the quality model, which is 4.5 square meters per hour. And we also have the high precision model, which is 3 square meters per hour. But I want you to take note of something. The printing resolution would be higher if the printing speed is lower. So the printing speed and resolution are inversely proportional.
So, thank you so much for your detailed answer for us, right?
Yes, I'm so glad that they asked questions. You know what? It shows great concern that our customers have asked us questions. It's of great concern. Thank you, customers, for the wonderful questions. We are proud of you.
Yeah.
However, if you have more questions other than the ones asked from the live show, please
Don't
email,
hesitate.
call us. I will reply you.
Yeah, and also thank you so much for your detailed answer.
Yes.
And I believe now our customers must have interest to buy a unit for their own needs. Right?
Yes, I'm sure they must be interested.
As you can see, our machine have got so many certificates.
Yes.
So please let me share the CE certificates that
Okay.
from European. And the Rose certificate.
Okay.
It means our machine are comply with the European standard.
Yes.
So it's really safe to buy from us.
Yes,
And
you're
also-
more rest assured to order from us.
Yeah, and also we got the Golden Plus Supplier Assessment Certificate that are verified by the SGS company, as you can see here. And as we all know, SGS is a famous international inspection institution, So through the SGS verified, you really have no worry to buy from this, right?
Wow, perfect laser. 3 certificates, 3 accredited certificates.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so much assurance for you to buy our machines.
Yeah, totally. And today, in order to thanks for watching and to celebrate the March Shopping Festival, we prepare many coupons and gifts. And as you can see, the product list here. There are many choices, and you can get the coupons in your lecture room and use it directly when you place the order, right? And,
Yes.
And if you're not in your lecture, please screenshot this video to show you how have attended our lecture, so you also can get the extra coupons. And let's see what coupons you can get. Here we go. First, if you place an order over $7,000, guess what? You will get
$100.
So excited, right? And if you place an order over $3,000, you will get coupons of $50. It's also so worth it. And if you place an order over $2,000, you will get a coupons of $30. And if you place an order over $1,000, you also will get a coupons of $20. So great chance, and it's such a big discount, right?
Wow.
I hope you guys can catch this chance. And
Great.
yeah.
24-month guarantee, more discounts. Any price you buy it, you will get a discount.
Yeah.
This is the biggest offer we have for you.
Yes, so shows our sincerity, right? And what's more, we also prepare 100 tableware as gifts. They are blue and white porcelain and have beautiful flower on it. And let me show to you. It's so beautiful, right? And
So beautiful.
beautiful flower with transparent characteristic. And I believe when you use such kind of tableware, when you at the dinner time with your family, it will create a wonderful memory for you and your family. And we will send it to whom participate in our lecture room and place the order during this month. It's totally worth it, right?
Yes, totally worth it. Gift, discount, and warranty time.
Yeah.
Wow, Perfect Laser is doing so much for our customers, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And now, in order to enjoy all these benefits, please take out your phone. Let's do the screenshot. And I will give you guys 10 seconds to do the screenshot again. And Mr. Dominic, would you please count with me?
Yes, I can count with you. I am ready for the countdown.
Let's do the screenshot again, and here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
I hope you guys already got the screenshot again. And please send it to your sales representative to show you how to attend our lecture. And you can get the extra coupon and you can use it directly when you place the order. Okay, time flies so fast. Our lecture is drawing to the end.
Oh, I wish I could begin the live show again. It's coming to an end.
And please subscribe our channel by following the following button, clicking the following button here. Subscribe our channel so you can find out easily next time and see us again. And I believe through our live show you must get an overall understanding about machine and our company, right? And if you like our machine, please don't hesitate to contact us or send inquiries to us or channel online. And also welcome to our website to see more video and introduction about our product. And if you want to see more introduction and the video, please subscribe our channel by clicking the following button here. And I'm sure you'll get what you want here. And thanks so much for your watching any time with us. and it's really time to say goodbye. And Perfect Laser is willing to be your best partner from now and forever.
Forever.
And waiting for your order and see you next time. Bye!
Bye.